In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure payments in Stripe, focusing on invoices, subscriptions, payment links, and plans. Stripe is a powerful tool for managing financial transactions, and configuring it properly can help streamline your business operations significantly. Let's dive in. First up, open your web browser and head over to Stripe's main website. You're looking for the segment labeled Financial Infrastructure to Grow Your Revenue. This is your starting point. Once you're there, the next step is to click on the Sign In button. This will direct you to the login page where you need to enter your credentials to access your Stripe dashboard. Ensuring you have your login details at the ready will simplify the process. Once logged in, you'll find yourself at the Stripe home interface, which serves as your command center for managing every aspect of your Stripe account. From here, you want to look for the section labeled Billing. Click on it to start configuring your payment settings. This environment is where you begin shaping your invoicing and billing structure. After accessing the billing menu, you'll see an option labeled Invoices. By clicking here, you can start managing your billing invoices, a critical feature for keeping track of payments and ensuring that your customers receive accurate billing statements. This section offers customization options to tailor the invoices to best suit your business needs. Next, navigate to the Subscriptions tab. Subscriptions are crucial for businesses with recurring payment models, like memberships or service-based agreements. Here, you can configure subscription plans, set billing intervals, and manage active subscriptions, allowing for a seamless recurring transaction experience for your customers. Now, let's move on to payment links. This section is an excellent feature for simplifying customer experiences by providing them with easy-to-use payment links. These links can be shared directly with your customers, allowing them to make payments without any hassle. It's especially beneficial for small businesses or those frequently handling one-off payments, as it reduces complexity and enhances convenience. Lastly, take some time to explore the options available within each section to fully customize your Stripe account according to your specific needs. Remember, the goal of setting up these features is not just about facilitation, but also future-proofing your business by ensuring that payment processes are efficient and dependable. And there you have it, a concise guide to configuring payments in Stripe, focusing on invoices, subscriptions, payment links, and plans. Understanding these elements not only optimizes your current processes, but also sets a solid foundation for scaling your business in the future. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or explore more resources on Stripe's website. Thanks for tuning in, and happy configuring.